In this video, I'll be explaining the marketing plan for a FOREX program. And do remember that Forsage and FOREX is two different things. It is the same developer, but now he is working alone with other developers, not with the previous developers. So without wasting time, let's continue. My name is Lindy Sherries, and we are going to talk about the marketing plan for FOREX program. And now there are two programs. The first program is a classic program, and the second program is the boost program. And you do need to understand that now it doesn't work with first slot, second slot. It works with S3 program and also S6 program. So previously we used to call this an X3, and this one we used to call X4 program, but now it is X3 and X6. And the reason it is X3, you would see that at the bottom it has these three round things. At the top, this is you, and then when you invite a person, will be placed in the slot. And then when you invite another person, will be placed in the slot, and then the money will be sent to you directly to your wallet. So if this person joined with $5, you will get $5, you will get $5. But then the last one, when you invite a person, it doesn't go to you, it goes for reactivation. So reactivation is like you're clearing a slot, you're activating the slot. Now it becomes clear again, and then you start again. And then when you look at the X6 metrics, we do see that at the top is you, and then you do have these 6 round things. So these round things are actually your metrics. When you place a person, you invite a person, the person will be placed here, and then another person will be placed here, and another person will be placed here, and placed here, and placed here. But then I will explain later on how you get paid, because you don't get paid for each and every time a person is placed here. And also you don't get paid only with your effort only. You also get placed with your upliner's effort and also as the other team's effort. But then I will explain that later. Now let's talk about the main difference when it comes to the old program and the new program. The old program, it used to have one ID. So this ID number 1, which is the first ID that was created by the developers, this ID used to get all the money. So basically every time we do reactivation, every time we did cycle, the money will go to this ID. So basically they were getting the money to the developers. But now Lado changed that because it didn't benefit the communities, it benefited the developers more. So what Lado did, he actually created a product contract. So this product contract, every time we do reactivation, the money goes into this product contract, and then this product contract is what's going to benefit us as the whole team. It doesn't go to the developers anymore. So basically when you look at this, we are looking at the X6 matrix because you do see these 6 rounds. So now as you can see, we do benefit more. So some of you would say, where do you start? So at the moment, I did post 2 videos on how to get started. Basically what you do need to install your Trust Wallet or your Token Pocket, and you do need to fund your Trust Wallet or your Token Pocket with BUSDs. This is the coin that we're going to use to register, but you do need to pay fees, and we do pay fees using what? BNB chain. So BNB chain, the fees are very cheap and you do need to pay that. So say for example, you do need to join, you will pay $5. This is the pre-launch amount to join, but then after 3 weeks, it will change to $10. So we do need to start early and make sure that you join before the 3 weeks is over so that you can benefit the most. So when you load your BUSD $5 in your Trust Wallet, you do need to load at least $1 for your BNB chain, because when you does the transaction, it does need to pay fees. So this BNB fee, it is cheap, guys. That's why I say just add a $1 so that you can convert to BNB chain. All of that I will add in my YouTube channel for you to understand more. So now I did say that there are 2 programs, and the one that is getting launched, it is a classic program. So the classic program comes with 12 levels. So as you can see, these are the levels. The difference between what we used to have in Forsage and what we have now is that these X3 and X4 programs are now combined into one. So that's why we have 12 programs. So he did have good developers who were able to combine these matrices. So as you can see, in level 1, we have the X6. In level 2, we have X6. But then in level 3, we have the X3. So I did explain that in X6, you are at the top where it's X6, and then these are the people that you will add into your programs. So when you join, you're basically opening level 1. You only need to open once. So if you want, you can upgrade to level 2. And then if you want, you can upgrade to level 3. But when you upgrade to level 3, it is now S3. So I will explain the levels again. in detail how you make money at the bottom. So let me just show you the differences, because I did say now it is combined, but then when you go back to Forsage before, it used to have something like this. So just to give you an idea of how you're going to see your dashboard, but then it won't be exactly like this. This is just to show you what we had before and how you're going to get your dashboard. Every time you join under your upliner, so obviously your upliner will be with me if you join under me, and I will advise you to join under me because I do have 2 groups where I support my people, where I teach them how to join. So you basically get an ID. So this person has an ID 1. So say maybe you join, maybe you'll have ID 5,000, but now the IDs are with characters. So you can change your ID to your name if you want, depending if it's available and if someone didn't take it. So when you change that ID, you can only change your ID if you upgrade up to 5 levels. Before I even explain that, let me just show you the differences. So in Forsage previously, we used to have X3 program, which had 12 levels, and also we used to have X4, but now can you see X4 has 6 and then X3 had 3. So now in the new Force, all of this is combined. This S3 and X4 is combined in one matrix where there is now 12 levels only. So now just to also give you an indication of how your dashboard might look, obviously it won't be the same way. After joining, you will have an access to your own dashboard that looks like this. Obviously it won't be the same. And then you will get your affiliate link. This is what you will send to your people. You can share this affiliate link to people in social media. You can access other Telegram groups. We do have a Telegram bot which will notify you every time you get paid. And then this is your wallet address. This wallet address must be the same as the one you have in your Trust wallet. And then there will be more things that you will see. So you will see how much all of us in Force are making, and then how many people joined in the last 24 hours as well. And then you would see the money that is made as well. And then you will also see how much you are making at that point and moment. So you will see something like this, but then obviously it won't be the same way. Just to show you an example of a Telegram bot that will notify you every time you get a spillover. A spillover is when the system allocates someone to your team, or if you introduce someone, you will get a message saying that you have earned money. So you would see something like this, like it will say maybe for us now it's levels. It will say maybe level 1, you've got maybe this amount, and then it will tell you that the money is in your wallet. And then let's just continue with the presentation. We'll pay $5. This is pre-launch, only available for 3 weeks. And then after 3 weeks, it will go back to the normal fee, which is $10. This is only for level 1. So when you join, level 1 is open. So I always say that it's like you have opened a company that will make you $5, and then after 3 weeks, it will make you $10 over and over again. And you do not need to open this company again. It will go to level 2. And then now when you get to level 2, it will also open when you upgrade, if you decide to upgrade. So there are 2 ways to upgrade. You can upgrade with your money, but now there's also another feature which they've added, which is called auto upgrade. I will explain later. So now when your level is open, you are here, and then you have this matrix. Now let's just explain the upliner. When it comes to the upliner, so say for example, you have joined under me. I'll be your upliner, and then this will be you. And in your dashboard, you will see this. You will be here, and then you will also be an upliner for someone, and that someone will join under you. So when you join, the money will go to your upliner. The same way when people join under you, the money will come to you because you will be the upliner for that person. And now that's the $5, and then also it will go to $10. This explains spillovers because sometimes the system will place people in your team without you working for it. So this is what is called spillover. Sometimes when I introduce people, the system won't place those people in my team. I won't get paid for that. It will sometimes place those people to anyone in my team, depending on the algorithm, depending on who's next. So this is you. You are in my team, and I decide to place someone, and then the system doesn't place that person under my team, the system placed that person to your team. So say, for example, this person is placed here and then you get paid for it. And then this is not your effort. This is my effort. And sometimes the spillovers doesn't come only from your upliner. It comes from your downliners as well. And then the same way with you as an upliner to someone, the system sometimes won't place the people in your team. It will place the people somewhere in your team. And this doesn't only happen with people in our team. Sometimes even my upliner or even the upliners above, the system will use the algorithm to place people. So I will show you cases where you definitely guaranteed that the people will be placed in your team. So this last lot, it is for reactivation. Let's talk about reactivation, because this is the part that confuses many people, and you will ask questions over and over again if you do not listen and understand this part. So in 6, obviously it works differently, and 3, obviously it works differently. So first thing that you need to know about reactivation, this is basically cleaning up your level to make sure that you get paid. Remember, you don't get paid once, you get paid over and over again, and with your effort and also without your effort. So for those who are saying that they are joining only to make money but not to invite people, this can work for you, but then it is not guaranteed that you will get those spillovers. So back to reactivation. When you look at this, when you see the last one, so it will basically, when you invite people, it will place people here, 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 and also here. And then when it places a person here, the money doesn't come to you. The money goes up to reactivate your slot. It can go to your product fund. Sometimes it can go to your upliner. Sometimes it can go as a spillover to what? To clear the slot. And then it will clean again to say now the slots are open. You can invite people. So now in S3, the same way, the last slot, it will actually reactivate. You don't get paid for that. So let's talk about the first 2. So the first 2, you invite someone in S6, and then it will place that person here, and then the money will go to your upliner or even to someone in the team as a spillover. And then the second one, when you do reactivation, the money actually goes here, or it can go to a product fund or to someone in the team. The only way you get paid from here and here and here, and sometimes you will get paid here if your upliner actually gets a spillover to you, or also if your downliner, the algorithm will also apply and give you spillovers. So you get spillovers from here. So just don't expect money in this level, because this one is for reactivation and this one is for reactivation. You can 100% expect money here and here and here, always, always. And now I'm going to talk about the upgrade, because when it comes to the upgrade, sometimes the system will hold your money here in order to keep the money for you so that you can auto upgrade. But then I will explain that later. Let's talk about the upgrade. So upgrade, it is automatic, and also you have a choice to enable or disable this auto upgrade. So when you disable auto upgrade, you do pay 25% fee for you to disable your upgrade. Then you won't be upgraded. You will upgrade on your own. But then if you leave it on, by default, it is on. The system will hold your money. So say you get paid here and here and here, the system will hold your money only once. It will hold here because the next lot, it is 2 times the value of the first lot. So if first lot is $5, the next lot is $10. So you do want to be upgraded all the time, because then upgrading means that you are opening another company which makes even more money. So the upgrade only happens once. So next time the money won't be kept. So once a slot is open, it is open forever. You can make money over and over again. You won't have this situation where your money is held in order for an upgrade. So remember, it is optional. So in S3 as well, the money will be held once, second, and then reactivation. This is just the effort for the first time, and then next time when the slot is clear, then you will start getting your money again. You only open once, and then you will have now the second slot, which can also make you money. If you do not upgrade the next slot, you will only get paid in that one level then the next level you won't get paid. So meaning if you invite someone in your team and that person open the next slot, then it means the money will go to your upline because you don't have an active slot in level 2. So if you choose not to auto upgrade, you can turn it off and then you will pay a 25% commission fee. So every time, whenever you get money, you will pay that commission fee. So I think it's best to leave the auto upgrade on because you only open the slots once. So now this is what you're going to see in your dashboard. This is the first level. This is the second level. Remember I said the third level. Now it is in the same matrix. It is not separated like the previous version of Forsage. So now this is an active slot. Can you see that this level is active? So you will only get paid here. So when I say that when the system keep money for you, it will actually open this one. So now instead of getting paid $5, you will start getting paid $10 as well. And also level 2, for the first time, you will get paid here. And then you won't get paid here, you won't get paid here, so that it keeps the money for you to open the next level, which is for your own benefits, because then you will have this level open. So basically, I said it to you guys, it's like you have this cow that you are milking $5 and now it is active, but this second cow, you don't have it, it is there, but then you cannot milk any $10 because this level pays with $10. But then when the system keep money for you and open, it only opens once, then it won't need to keep money for you. This level as well will be open. Then you can milk money from $5 and milk money from $10, and then the system will do the same. So now if this level is active, then you open the third level, the system will keep money for you. You can also disable the auto upgrade and do the upgrades by yourself. But do remember that when you first join, you can also upgrade from 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want. It is recommended that you do that. When you look at this matrix, you will see that all these levels are actually open. So if this one is $5, you will pay $10 to open this one. The system can keep the money for you, and then you will open this one again. But then it depends with how much you can afford. You can open at once up to 5 level or even other levels if you want. Let's just see practically. Say you are in level 5 and now level 6 needs to be open. The system will pay you here, and also with the spillovers and all these ones are actually milking you money. $5, $10, $20, $40, $80 here, and then when it gets here, it will keep money just once for these ones, and then it will open the next slot. So this is how the auto upgrade will happen. And I do recommend, again, these are the prices for pre-start. This is only the first 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, these prices will change. So basically it is like this. Now we're paying $5, but then for those who are going to join after 3 weeks, they are going to pay $10 for the same slots. So we do want to open as much slots as we can to benefit from this discount. So since we are the first members, we will get 50% discount, and obviously we will benefit because we will be the first in line. We will benefit from the spillovers, and also we will have more and more people joining under us, and that will make us money. So there is a cryptocurrency called Forsage, and then we'll get points that we will use when the product starts coming. So obviously in the MetaForce universe, we will benefit and use those points there. It is recommended that you open the first 5 slots when you start, but obviously if you do not have money, you can open the first slot when you join, and then the system will keep money for you. Then it can do the auto upgrade. And the price to open the first 5 slots, this is the pre-price. It is $155. This is the end of our marketing plan. Your possibilities are not limited. Guys, this cannot be done for you. You have to work and do this yourself. You can choose to change your life, or you can choose to relax and do nothing about your current situations. And I say it is possible for everyone all over the world. And don't forget, I do have a WhatsApp group and also a Telegram group. In this video description, you will see those groups and you can join. I will assist you, and only if you join under my link from there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and do share this video with many people, because we do want many people to be millionaires. Thank you so much for watching.